Sherbet pilo, sherbet pilo, sherbet pilo. Dande pilo. Ye glass 20 rupees, ye glass. Sherbet, mashallah. Sherbet pilo, sherbet pilo. Recently, I decided to make something different in this country, which no foreigners did before in Mingora. I was selling cold drinks, which is Ruh Hafza, and I was selling this drink like 20 rupees for 1 cup. And it was real. I earned money real here, and like everyone can do this. Everyone. Ye glass 20 rupees. My name is Vladislav, and I came from Russia. I'm 25 years old. I came in Pakistan for traveling. I came in Pakistan in January, and since that time I'm staying here more than 6 months already. I'm still here in Pakistan because I got stuck due to coronavirus, and I wanted to leave Pakistan in end of February, but border get closed, and I'm still here, and I decided to explore more. Pakistan is one of the safest country which you can visit. I visited much countries, but Pakistan was the safest one. Pakistan people are so much different by different provinces. For example, in KPK you will find people who are so much hospitable and responsible for you. But at the same time there is so much strict culture. For example, in Punjab the people culture is not strict, but generally people in Pakistan is really hospitable. They will solve your problem, they will host you, they will provide your food, and they provide your accommodation without any charges.